Hello, you're watching ModShapes, and I'm Alex Steele. And today I did a test. I got some luminescent green PLA filament, and I printed a baby Yoda, and I also used some glow-in-the-dark paints that are acrylic that I purchased from Five Below, and I wanted to see how I could make a glow-in-the-dark baby Yoda. Now, this actually has two parts. I have one version which is just printed. It's the luminescent filament and it glows on its own without any additional work. I have another version with some glow-in-the-dark paint, which is acrylic. I found that it's better to apply that with a sponge than with a paintbrush, and you'll see that as the video unfolds. Let's take a look. Well, that's it for this one. The total cost of this project was somewhere around $17 because I used some PLA filament and some materials from Five Below. I think this turned out really good. I wish the pictures would be a little crisper, but there's a lot of graininess if you get dark enough to see it glowing. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see everybody on the next one.